Yo. Yo.
The official mixtape DJ.
Televised network.
Pay attention, you junkies.
I go hard in the mud, loving paint, player. Leave you stinking, player. What the heck you thinking, player? I won't die for this stuff, but what the heck I say? Front yard, broad day with the SK. See, DJ, I be coming riding solo. These haters getting mad cause I'm trying to show them promo. DJ rocks up on the beat, you know I'm about to kill it. Haters getting mad, they don't wanna say they feel it. I'm only 16, spitting bars so crazy. Haters getting mad, they know that I'm lazy. See, I jumped on the beat to bust another flow. It's your girl DJ Rocks walking through the door. Stop, pause, hit that KB, so boogie through the door. And if you gon' hate, then you gon' have to go. I'm only 16, haters they be hating. I came through like I'm in Harlem, I be shaking. And what these haters thinking, time to come to DJ Rocks. I got them like some Rice Krispies, snap, purple crop. And if you wanna mess with me, you better think twice. I've been doing this since a little kid up on this mic, ayy. And I be doing this for fun. These haters getting mad, but they just straight dumb. These J's is on my feet, I got every pair you thinking of. Haters getting mad at me, they don't wanna show me love. Man, they hating cause I go hard in the paint. You roll with DJ Rocks, nah, that's what you think. I got these haters stuck to me like I'm some glue. You mess with DJ Rocks, you don't have a clue. These haters getting mad, I be coming stinging. Haters getting mad at me because they know I'm swinging. Triple D to the fullest if you didn't know. DJ came through, I'm trying to make a cash flow. That purple kush, nah, that's what we blow. Smoking on that purple stuff, high off that dro. For local, what we sipping, yeah, we be tripping. We be in the club, jigging, stopping, and we dipping. These haters getting mad, we kick them to the curb. These haters wanna roll with me, yeah, that's what I heard. See, I'm the hottest on the mic, spitting like Nicki. These haters getting mad, but I'm treating them like Vicky. Got the 3-point line, shooting them like Ricky. These haters getting mad, you should go figure, get me. I go hard in the paint. If you didn't know, boy, you should stop and think. I won't stop cause you know DJ Rocks can't. I got these haters hot up in the club, I make them faint. I leave these haters mad cause I do it like a pro. I'm in the back of the club on my tiptoes, jigging and I'm dipping, swerving and we whirring. From Louisiana, big body Suburbans, suicide doors, leaning in this bitch. These haters getting mad, but they should try to get like this. I rep 318, yeah, that's to the fullest. These haters, I keep them ducked because I fly them bullets. You wanna mess with me, I'm repping to the fullest. These haters getting mad cause I'm hard in the paint. All day, every day, now that's that 50 Tyson stuff. Had to jump back on the beat to show you that I'm really tough. These flows that I be spitting make a hater want that suicide. Got these haters getting mad at me, that drop top Chevy ride. If you wanna mess with DJ Roxy, you can come inside. Got that AK bout to blow away your freaking insides. Messing with me, homie, you don't wanna go to that level. Haters getting mad, 95 as I push the pedal. Better watch out what you say and better watch out what you do. You don't wanna mess with DJ when I'm rolling with my crew. Why? Cause I go hard in the paint. What you thinking? I leave you stinking. In the club, I leave you fainting. I will die for this stuff, yeah, that's what I said. DJ all about that cheddar, about that stacking bread. So if you didn't know, this freestyle about to let you know. Been doing this since I was a kid, yeah, I'm a pro. And all these haters getting mad, I boogie through the door. If you wanna hate on me, then you gon' have to go. Cause like I said, I go hard in the paint. Yeah, you should go hard in the paint. Oh, I heard she go hard in the paint. Yeah, I think she go hard in the paint. DJ Rocks, I'm in it. Triple D to the fullest, who with it? DJ Rocks, and I'm in it. Triple D to the fullest, who with me?